Students of grade 4, how are you all? I hope you will be fine at home. Today is 29th April 2020. It's your maths class. We are doing unit number 21 and the unit name is area and parameter. We have done its lesson number 1. Today we will do lesson number 2, parameter. Workbook page number 220. We have done how to find the parameter of a rectangle. So challenge 1 is same as to page number 218. We will do challenge 2, the word problem related to parameter of rectangle or sphere. First word problem is Dana drew a rectangle that was 15 cm means centimeter by 12 cm. What was its parameter? You will have to understand what is the statement of the question. Look, the rectangle already drawn and its length and width is given. Length is 15 centimeter and width is 12 centimeter. Okay. Dana drew a rectangle. It means that rectangle already has drawn and its length is 15 centimeter and width is 12 centimeter. So we have to find its parameter. Let's start its solution. Length is equal to 15 centimeter. Width is equal to 12 centimeter. We have to find out the parameter. And this is the rectangle, parameter of the rectangle. It is given that Drona drew a rectangle. So we will write the formula to find out the parameter of a rectangle. What is the formula to find out the parameter of a rectangle? You remember it? It is parameter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus width. L means length and W means width. You can write also spellings of length and width. Otherwise, you can write L and W. L for length and W for width. So, the formula of parameter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus width. Now, you will put the values of length and width in the formula. 2 into 15 plus 12, as 15 is length and 12 is width. So you have to put it now. You will add 15 and 12. 15 plus 12 is equal to 27. 2 you will write as it is on its place. So 2 into 27. 15 plus 12 is equal to 27. Now you will multiply 2 by 27. 2 27s are 54. Okay. 2 27s are 54. You will write cm with the answer because length and width are in centimeter. So you will put centimeter in the answer and the parameter of rectangle is equal to 54 centimeter. It's our answer. Okay students, we got the parameter of rectangle that was drawn. It is 54 centimeter. Now move to what problem? Part 2. Hamza drew a square. Now the shape that has drawn, it is square. Okay. It is given that the shape is square. He said that it had a perimeter of 48 centimeter. Now perimeter is also given and the perimeter is 48 centimeter. What were the length of the sides of his square? Now we have to find out the length of square. Okay students, because perimeter is already given, so we will find its length. Okay, now remember that the shape is square. Let's start its solution. What is the given statement? In the given statement, perimeter of square is equal to 48 centimeter. So you will write it first. Perimeter of square is equal to 48 centimeter. Now you will write the formula to find the perimeter of square. So perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. This is the formula to find out the perimeter of square. It is different from the formula of perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. In this formula, we will put the value of perimeter because we know the value of perimeter. So you will put it here and the value of parameter is 48. Okay. 48 is equal to 4 multiplied by side. We don't know the side of side of the square, so you will write it as it is, 4 multiplied by side, and here you will put the value of parameter of square and it is 48. So you will put it here, 48 centimeter is equal to 4 multiplied by side. We want to know the value of side, so you will put it here. Here you can see 4 is multiplied. We want only side, so we want to remove 4 multiply. So you will write 4 multiply here. When 4 will be moved to the other side of the equal to, it will be changed into divide. So it will be 48 divided by 4. Okay students, you can see 4 is multiplied by here. Then you will move 4 to the other side of the equal to, so it will be changed into divide. Multiply will be changed into divide. So 48 divided by 4 is equal to side. Actually we want the answer of side, so we want side here only, and we want to remove 4. 4 is multiplied by here side, so when you will move 4 to here to the other side of equal to, it will be changed into divide. So 48 divided by 4 is equal to 12. Now side is equal to 12. We got our answer. The side of the square is equal to 12. Okay students, this is the length of the square and all sides of the square are equal, so it means that 12 centimeter is the length of all sides of the square. Okay students, now move to the word problem number 3. Abi drew a rectangle. Two sides were each 14 centimeter in length. The perimeter was 40 centimeter. What was the length of each of the other sides? Now you have to focus the statement of the question. What is given? The given is that a rectangle is drawn. Okay, first part is rectangle. So two sides were each 14 centimeter in length. It means that each length is 14 centimeter and the perimeter was 40 centimeter. What were the length of other two sides? Let's start its solution. We have perimeter of triangle, it is 40 centimeter. Look here, the perimeter is 14 centimeters. So you will give the information here. You will write here perimeter of triangle is equal to 40 centimeter. Now you can see length of one side. Each means one. Each 14 centimeter in length. It means that length of one side is 14 centimeter. So you will write it here. Length of one side is equal to 14 centimeter. So two sides. Okay, now we will focus on two sides. It means that length of two sides, it will be 14 multiplied by 2 because we are discussing about length of two sides. So you will multiply 14 by 2. It is equal to 28. 14 twos are 28 centimeter. Now we have length of two sides is equal to 28. Now we have two things. Perimeter of rectangle. We have perimeter of triangle is equal to 40 centimeter and length of two sides is equal to 20 centimeter. Now we will use these two information to find out the length of other sides. How you will use it? Length of other two sides is equal to 40 minus 28. 40 minus 28. You will subtract 28 from 40, means you will subtract the length of two sides from perimeter. 40 minus 28. It will give the length of other two sides. When you will subtract it, we will get the answer 12 centimeter. 40 minus 28 is equal to 12. This is the length of other two sides. So length of other two sides is 12 centimeter. It means that it will be 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. 6 and 6, 12. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. it was the length of other two sides. Okay students, this is our word problem solution. You can get it easily. Please practice it at home. Do it in your homework, page number 220. Okay students, goodbye, have a good time.